Hey guys! Today I want to give you a little introduction to machine learning. What is machine learning? Machine learning is the field of study that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. A good example is your email spam filter. The spam filter learned to identify spam because it has been trained by examples of spam emails, the so-called training set. When you mark an email as spam, this training instance will become part of the training set. With machine learning, you avoid to program each spam case by yourself. Not only can machines learn from humans, it is also possible the other way around. When the spam filter has been trained for a while, we can inspect it by letting it reveal the list of words that it believes are the best predictors of spam. When you apply machine learning on large amounts of data, which is called data mining, you can discover patterns. Machine learning systems can be trained with or without human supervision. This is then called supervised versus unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, the training data includes the desired solutions, which are called labels. This means that you give the machine learning algorithm examples of emails which are already marked as not spam and examples marked as spam. In unsupervised learning, we don't use labels. You simply run different machine learning algorithms on the data. You could, for example, run a clustering algorithm on your blog's visitors to detect groups of similar visitors. A possible result of the algorithm could be that 30% of the visitors are female and visit your blog on average at 8 p.m. Which interesting things do you know about machine learning? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Bye!